to the earthwork calculation of the invert levels. Remember one thing, gradient is minimum gradient is 1 in 80. You can reduce up to 1 in 30 and you can make 1 in 150 for maximum gradient that you are going to design. So here are all the RLs that I have got according to the ground strata, the topmost position. So I have taken 2 meter as the depth for the start of the formation level. These are all reduced level. Now I need a formation level in terms what it is called as invert level. So what I will do is I will reduce by 2 meter. So 710.255 minus 2 meter, 708.255. I'll assume a gradient of 1 in 80. Now how to calculate this? So there is a chainage of how much? 100 meters. You can see, right? If I assume a gradient of 1 in 80, 1 by 80 into that 10 meter will give me how much? 0.125 meter horizontal to vertical. So what I will do is, if I reduce this 708.255 minus, so I will show you with the calculator. It is so here you can see there are ground levels. Here there is a distance. Datum I have taken 700 because you can have to see which is the least one among the ground RL. Now I want invert level. I have told you gradient you can vary minimum up to 1 in 30 or 1 in 20 and maximum up to 1 in 50, right, when you are solving this. Now I will be talking about invert level. At the first stretch I will be taking 2 meter. So always remember, only rising main the pipe can be kept outside. Other things, if it is a formation level for water supply or invert level for sanitary project, remember invert levels are used for sanitary project, very essential, where you are going to locate a drop manual at every change in gradient. So you are talking about 710.255 minus 2, you have got 7088. So 1 divided by 80 into 10. So you have got this particular horizontal concept. So 708.255 minus 0.125 will give me this 708.130. This I have to do it for all 100 chainage. So again I will take 708. You see the calculator and also the calculation part. 710.255, the original length minus 2 meter, I am going to reduce it. I have got a new RL of the invert level 708.255. this is at a zero chainage. Then for 10 meter what I will do is 1 in 80 I have taken the gradient into 10 meter. So this is the horizontal cut that I have to make. 708.255 minus of this answer I will get 708.130. It is here. Then again I will minus 0.125 gradient, minus 0.125, the gradient remains same, so it will be 708.055. now how you have got this? At the initial it is 2, then I'll get 2.06. how it is 2.06? 2 plus 2.065. so how you have got that? 708, it is 710.195 minus 708.130. I'll get 2.065. hope you can see here, 710.195 minus 708.130, it is 2.65. here actually I have to take the average depth, but I have taken directly the volume. So the average depth is 2.065 plus 2 divided by 2. this will be that particular section. To calculate the volume for this, it is 0.6. what is this 0.6? it is the width of the channel that you are going to take it into picture into the distance 10. so I'll get a 12.195, the first volume that I'm going to calculate. Between this to depth I'll get a volume. Next, for example, next stretch it is a 2.065 and this, let me check what will be the volume. 2.065 plus 1.415 divided by 2, 1.74 is the average depth into 0.6 into 10 meters. So I have to get 10.44. so in between this two I have got how much? 10.44. like this you need to calculate the volume. So this is about the calculation of the invert levels that you are going to do. So this is how you need to calculate few of the things that are required. I wish you all the best, right? Try to complete it. Stay at a home and complete this particular task that has been provided. and hope you will like the video and take it positively with whatever is required, right? And remember, invert levels are provided between 1 to 3 meter. That is, if you get a invert level less than 1 meter here, if you get a invert level, depth of the invert level, what is the depth between ground level and invert level? The depth is there. If you get less than 1, then what will happen? If you get less than 1, you cannot provide it, because sometimes you are going to provide water supply line. So see that your invert level depth is between 1 to 3 meter. After 3 meter also you cannot provide, because there are hard rocks. So wish you all the best. Thank you.